I'm going to put you all on mute because you're going to keep chewing your food. All right? Chalo. Are we ready to talk about the Great Wall of China? Check this out. Wow. Wow. Where is my screen? Why is it not sharing? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm going to try that once again. अरे मेरा तो पावर पॉइंट ही चला गया. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. ये तुम लोग खा रहे हो. I think even my computer is feeling hungry. Huh? You all are eating and my laptop is also saying, what is this? They are all eating and you're making me work. How is that right? रुक जाओ. Okay. I get my screen up. Okay. Can you all see the Great Wall of China? Yeah? Okay. Great Wall of China. Look at that. Look at that. My God. Pranav, do you know how many years it took to build the Great Wall of China? Vihan, do you know how many years it took to build the Great Wall of China? 7 years. Thank you. Ranveer, do you know how many years it took to build the Great Wall of China?
10 years.
10 years. Matlab, like your age from the time you were born.
Oh.
From the time you were born till now, it took that many years in those days to build the Great Wall of China. My
I
God.
want to see it. It is so big.
It is big. It is long. It's very, 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 very long.
Oh, ma'am, it was built before even we were born because it was before.
Yes,
because it was built in before years.
It was built
Like some
born.
19.
Yes, but what I'm trying to tell you, from the time you were born till now, जितने साल लगे हैं ना, उतना साल लग गया उसको बनाने में. Super, no? Who built this? Who was the Chinese king who built this? Here, Qin Shi Huang. What's his name? Qin Shi Huang.
Huang.
Repeat after me. Qin Shi Huang.
King Shi Huang.
Never forget the name of this person who built the Great Wall of China. Qin Shi Huang.
Qin Shi Huang.
Who built the Great Wall of China?
King Shi Huang. Wow.
Who built the Great Wall of China?
Qin Shi Huang.
Why did he build it?
Ma'am, so it's a defensive line so that nobody can enter.
Okay. Subhan, what do you think? Why was it built? Subhan, I hope you haven't slept off. Subhan, are you there?
Put me on mute.
Yes.
Ma'am, no.
Why was it built? Vihan, why was the Great Wall of China built?
Ma'am, it was built so nobody can enter inside.
Vihan,
Yes,
why was the Great Wall of China?
Ma'am, I am eating homemade cake. Ma'am, I am eating. Ma'am, I am eating homemade cake.
Vihan, fine. All right. I am asking a question to Vihan. Vihan, please answer. Why was it built?
Because a wall was good to build this wall.
Wow. Okay. Okay, nice. Do you see these little towers that are built around here? Can you spot these towers?
Yeah.
See here. If you follow where I'm showing, see here. See here. 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 These are little towers that are built along the Great Wall of China. For what? For the guards to sit there throughout the day. They take turns. Okay, these are little towers that are like little homes. अपने घर जैसा है वो, 2 BHK types. 2 रूम है, किचन है, बाथरूम है, सब कुछ उसके अंदर है. You can live there. So the guards live inside these towers. Okay, they can cook and eat over there. They lived there for many days, morning and night, throughout the day, 24 hours. They used to have guards live in these towers so they can watch the borders of China.
Who's coming in and who's going out?
Yes, who is coming and going. If there's going to be any attack, everything could be spotted. How many such towers are there?
10,000.
Hundreds of towers.
Hundreds? There are 10,000 such towers. There are 10,000 such towers. These tiny little towers that you see, there are 10,000 such towers built along the 8,850 kilometers long China wall.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
Ma'am, somebody's scribbling.
That's okay. Leave it. Leave it. Let that person keep doing it. No problem. Okay? Got it? So with this, we finish up to 18 and 19 pages of our history book. All right? So we started the first chapter from page number 9, I guess. Yeah, Mesopotamia and everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Check. I'm just going through my history chapter pages. Just give me a moment. Okay?
Okay, Mama, I'm coming in 1 minute. Can I go?
Yes, come back quick. Okay. We started with page number 11 and now we have reached page number 19. All right? And through these few pages, we have completed 3 civilizations. You can tell me which are the 3?
Mesopotamian civilization, Chinese civilization, Egyptian civilization.
Subhan, can you tell me which are the 3 civilizations we have completed so far? Subhan, don't sleep off. Jago, Subhan, jago. Utho, jawab do, Subhan. What are the 3 civilizations we have completed so far? Subhan, come on. Okay, I can't find Subhan. All right. We know that we have completed 3 of them so far. Okay. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to ask you all some questions and answers. Ready for that?
Oh,
Ready for that?
ready.
Okay, cool. The land between river Dash and Dash was called Mesopotamia. Mic is open for...
Euphrates and Tigris.
Okay. Tanishka, the Great Wall of China was built by? Pranav, the Great Wall of China was built by?
Queen Hussein.
Hussein? Hussein kahan se aaya?
Ma'am, Humayun.
Tell me the full name. Queen nahi, Kin.
Qin Shi Huang.
Qin Shi Huang. Vihan, who was the emperor who built the Great Wall of China?
Yeah, Qin Shi Huang.
Thank you. Okay.
Qin Shi Huang.
Which are the 2 subjects that were developed in the Mesopotamian civilization? Who knows? We'll only raise answer and I will open the mic.
Maths and science.
Nana.
Ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, Ranveer, tell me.
Ma'am, Egyptian and Chinese.
Egyptian and Chinese developed in the Mesopotamian time. Hey, Bhagwan, I think I have to start the chapter all over again. Mesopotamian.
Maths and science.
yeah, ma'am, maths and science.
No. Clearly, none of you have read your textbook. Even after telling you to, none of you have read your textbook.
Occupation, trade, and commerce.
Commerce. Commerce. Ranveer, read it for me.
Ma'am, algebra and geometry.
Science, Mesopotamians were skilled mathematicians who developed algebra and geometry.
So what did they develop, Vihan? What were the two things that they first developed?
Algebra and geometry.
Are you going to remember that?
Yes.
Okay, cool. All right. This queen became the pharaoh in the new kingdom. It was there in the chapter. Okay. The stepped pyramid on top of which the main temple was built. What was that?
Ziggurat.
Ziggurat. Correct. Cool.
I
Okay.
was going to say that.
Okay. Now this is what you're going to do in your history today. Okay. Write down. Write down.
Wait.
What?
Ma'am, wait 2 minutes.
Vihan, you said something. What was that? Repeat, please.
When will our life skills period?
Now, in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, it's life skills.
Oh,
Ma'am, what do we have to
Because
write?
now we have to listen and see all the videos that Vihan has sent, Ranveer has sent. I have all those videos. I need to show it to everybody. Some little actors that we have around us.
Oh, ma'am, the life skill video.
Yes.
It's gonna be fun.
Jaldi karo. Write down page number.
Ma'am, what?
Page number 20. Okay.
Number 20, yeah.
You are going to learn these words to know. Do you see this? What is the meaning of die? What is the meaning of rudiments? What is the meaning of
Meanings.
cause? Yes. These words were there in your textbook. You're going to read these words and understand.
We want to
Page 20.
learn,
Page 20 words to know.
learn meanings.
It is right here. You just have to learn it. Okay. Then you are also going to find the answers for exercises 1, 2,
And 3.
3 baby thing it is. Okay. We will do that later. We are not going to do that now. Okay. 5.
1 and exercise 2.
Exercises
Exercise 1.
2 and 5. Don't keep repeating. Don't keep repeating. Just write it down. Okay.
Yes, written.
You're going to do exercises page 1, 2 and 5. I want you to look for the answers and you are going to mark the answers and you are going to write the answers and show it to me. I'm not going to find it for you. For that,
1 to 5.
you have to read pages 11 to 19.
Oh my god.
Oh.
11 to
पूरा
19.
हमने कर दिया and you're going to say, oh my god, who was that? Okay. Vihan, are you now ready for life skill class?
Yes.
Give me 2 minutes. Let me change my getup. Let me change my Chinese outfit and I will come back. Give me 2 minutes.
I like it because of that. I will not remove it.
Cool. Till then, I want
It's
you to
okay.
talk to each other. Keep chit-chatting. Subhan, come back.
Okay. Ma'am,
Chit-chat with each
unmute. Ma'am, unmute to Subhan and Pranav. Arey yaar. Ranveer. I don't know when it's talking. No. Rehan. You done that video?